What's going on, everybody? So today I thought I would just do a video pretty much focusing on this one product I discovered on Amazon. It's a bag that just people won't stop talking about. It's by Bange, I believe. And I just wanted to give it some attention because even though this sling bag is very compact, it has an assortment of pockets, zippers, and just all kinds of compartments that you can put your ROG Ally or Steam Deck accessories. And for me, as of right now, I am using this mainly for the ROG Ally for when I go on small trips or even road trips, because this thing is just so comfortable to use. And of course, this video is not sponsored by Bange. In fact, I don't even know how to say their name. But going into the mystery bag here, let's unwrap this puppy and see what we got. Well, and just for comparison's sake, I have a PSP in the back pocket just to show you guys the differences and just how small this sling bag truly is. And of course, I'm a huge PSP fan. I've been playing it since I was a kid, and from time to time, I still pick this thing up. The bag is about 3 times the size of a PSP, but I can still fit numerous things pretty much anywhere. And right here we have a USB-C splitter. I use this to connect my external SSD and charge it on the fly. In case you guys are wondering, I got this on Amazon as well. I will link all of the accessories I have in this video in the description. And here is a secret bag I have with, of course, the ROG Citra true wireless headphones. And I love this thing to death. And moving on with the live commentary here. Here is my Crucial X6 external portable SSD that I used to use with the Steam Deck. I have 2 of them, but now I just use it for the ROG Ally. And on the back, I installed Velcro stickers as well as on the back of the ROG Ally, so I can just connect them with the Velcro to the ROG Ally so I can just play it on the go. And the USB-C splitter makes it a lot easier to play my games on these 2 SSDs without any kind of limitation. And here we have a microfiber cloth. And that's about it. Moving on, there is the USB-C cable that was included with the power bank in my previous video. It is quite long, and of course it is USB-C to USB-C. Originally, it was a USB-C to USB-C with a USB-A adapter, but I just cut that off because I'm not really going to use that anytime soon. If I wanted to use the adapter, I'll just connect it back without having it consistently become attached to this cable. And in this compartment, we have a USB-C to USB-A, mainly to charge any kind of controller that I would bring with me on the road. And yeah, this bag is pretty compact, and also it's matte black, and its texture is sort of like rubber in a way. It feels really good to hold, and it's pretty thin, surprisingly, considering the amount of things that you can actually pack into it. It's really sort of a TARDIS bag. It's a lot bigger on the inside than it looks like on the outside. And just in case I don't show it in this video, this bag does actually come with a combination lock. Now, I'm not too sure exactly how to reset the lock, but they're all set to 0. There is a way to set your own combination, but it's a bit convoluted, so there's that. If you're getting it for luggage protection, you might want to use your own combination lock, but the zippers are very lock capable since they have these big rings indented into them. I think the zippers are very sturdy, and this bag is built very well. In terms of build quality, I really don't have any issues with this sling bag. I used to have an old sling bag that I had for 10 years, so I wanted something to replace it because it was starting to get holes in it. It's still in one piece even after 10 years, but I just wanted something new and something that was made to hold my new handheld devices, since I don't like a bag that only has one pocket. But this Bange sling bag is one of the highest rated sling bags on Amazon currently, and for good reason. Previous to this unboxing, and this recording has taken place 1 week after this unboxing, it actually only took 7 hours to be delivered to me from the time of ordering. So there is extremely fast delivery for this product right now, and of course I'm going to link it in the description. I'm not sure if they have any kind of coupon code or promo, but I bought this bag for $42. Now, a lot of people probably won't want to buy a sling bag this size for $42, but trust me, the build quality and the compartments are well worth it. It is a very well protected and comfortable bag. But anyway, moving on, there's something else in the front zipper. And of course, oh wait, put that back in there. It is a USB-C to USB-C, and this is what came with the Crucial X6 portable SSD. Now, It's kind of sturdy and isn't really that bendable, and it's sort of hard to disconnect, to be honest, but that's exactly why I got this flexible USB-C to USB-C adapter, and it is 10 gigabits per second in speed, so I'm pretty sure it's actually faster than the USB-C adapter that originally came with this Crucial SSD. It's mainly so I can plug it into the USB-C splitter and also connect it to the back of the ROG Ally, so it can be flexible enough to get out of my finger's way while I'm trying to use it, so it can be a little more comfortable. And this flexible USB-C is surprisingly effective. Even though it kind of only folds frontwards and backwards, that's not really a big deal since it's extremely flexible. If you're using it alone, there will be no problem taking up the least amount of room while plugging in an SSD to your ROG Ally. And I find this to be the best option in terms of USB-C adapters so far, and I've been waiting for a splitter like this, as well as a flexible USB-C cable just like this. And going further into this TARDIS-like bag, we have, of course, all of my SD cards. And I got a smaller form factor SD case, which I'm also going to try to link on Amazon because I got this some time ago, but that was able to fit in the top zipper just fine. And moving on, going into the actual core pocket of this sling bag, we have yet another mystery bag. And this is a bag I got a long time ago, but I just decided to put here because I don't want my 8-bit do controller to be scratched or to scratch the ROG Ally's case. I like my products to be spotless, clean, and without any type of scuffs or scratches, just in case I want to sell them in the future if ROG Ally 2 comes out this year like Asus said it would. But yes, this is the 8-bit do controller. I use it all the time, especially on the go, showing a little bit of what else is in there. And of course, it is the RGB Move Speed power bank. And this power bank has 80,000 milliamp hours with up to 130 watts of power draw. And of course, moving on, we have the famous ROG Ally with the JSOX case attached to it. And as you can see in the back, I actually have those Velcro pieces stuck to it so I can place my SSDs in case I want to use those. But even though I'm not a huge fan of the JSOX mod case for the ROG Ally, I do like the fact that it makes the ROG Ally a lot more protected than it would be with its original Asus branded case. And it's a lot smaller, and you can pretty much put anything next to it since it's fully protected. So that's why I put it in the same pocket, of course, in a different compartment, along with the 80,000 milliamp hour power bank by MoveSpeed. And yes, that power bank can power the ROG Ally for up to 10 to even 12 hours, as it seems to be getting better the more I test it. And with all of these accessories, you'll be fully equipped to bring your ROG Ally with you anywhere you want. It can fit under your seat if you're on a bus or a plane or even a train. It's very lightweight, but very well protected. And it's among one of my favorite sling bags so far. Whichever way you say the brand, this is a damn good sling bag to use with the ROG Ally specifically, since it is a smaller form factor and it's thinner than a lot of other handhelds like the Steam Deck, the Lenovo Legion Go, so I can't speak for those handhelds, but I'm pretty sure you can fit a Steam Deck in this thing, especially if you don't have something like a MoveSpeed power bank in there with it. But yeah, I just wanted to show you guys what I had in my mystery sling bag, and just to showcase exactly how many accessories for the ROG Ally you can fit in this bag. And I pretty much bring it with me wherever I go because I find that a lot easier than just carrying the ROG Ally. It's lighter than a Steam Deck and all the other handhelds out there, but it's still pretty big considering how big that PSP was at the beginning of the video, and that's something I used around 20 years ago. So considering that, this sling bag and its size is a great antithesis to the ROG Ally because it is very small for what it can hold, and the ROG Ally is kind of big for what it can do. But of course, these handhelds are going to get smaller, and you're going to need a sling bag that's the right size. And I think this is the perfect match. But yeah, let me know what you guys think about all these accessories and the Bange sling bag. Again, sorry for butchering the name. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Hope you have a good one. Later.